Cybersecurity in the industrial environment. Technologies for secure remote access to industrial facilities. The eWon Flexi Industrial Router. The eWon router is, due to its ease of use, one of the most widely used for remote access to an industrial installation. The eWon Flexi router is an industrial communication device used for data collection and real-time remote monitoring in industrial environments. It is used to connect industrial machines and equipment to the Internet and provide remote access to data from these equipment. In this way, data can be accessible and manageable in real time. It is produced by HMS Networks, a Swedish industrial automation technology company. It has a wide range of functionalities such as VPN connectivity, support for different communication protocols, real-time data visualization, and historical data logging. In addition, the eWon Flexi features a wide range of programming tools to customize settings and functionalities to the user's specific needs. The eWon Flexi offers a wide variety of functionalities such as the ability to connect to different industrial equipment and devices using different communication protocols such as Ethernet, Serial, Modbus, or OPC-UA, among others, the ability to view and analyze data from these devices in real time, and the ability to store data in an integrated database for further analysis. It can connect to different industrial equipment and devices, such as PLCs, SCADA systems, sensors and actuators, using a wide variety of communication protocols such as Ethernet, Serial, Modbus, OPC-UA, among others. In this way, the eWon Flexi can collect and store data in its built-in memory for later analysis, or transmit this data over the Internet to a cloud database or software application for processing. It also has a host of advanced features, such as VPN connectivity, real-time viewing of industrial equipment data, real-time alarms and notifications, and the ability to program automated tasks using programming languages such as BASIC or Java. The eWon Flexi router is a highly useful tool for industrial professionals who need to monitor and control industrial devices remotely, and who are looking to improve the efficiency and productivity of their industrial processes by accessing and manipulating data in real time. The eWon Flexi is a versatile, scalable and highly functional industrial connectivity device used to collect data and monitor the performance of industrial equipment. Thanks to its advanced features, the eWon Flexi can improve efficiency, reduce downtime and increase productivity in a wide variety of industrial applications.